In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can get your contacts into HubSpot quickly and accurately. First, log into HubSpot. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to view and edit contacts. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right HubSpot workspace before you start so your data lands in the correct place. Once you're in, head to the CRM. This is the area where all your customer data lives. From there, go to Contacts. Think of this as your central list of people, leads, customers, or anyone you want to track and communicate with. In the Contacts view, look to the upper right and click Add Contacts. This opens up the options to get new people into your database. Next, click Import. This tells HubSpot you're bringing in a batch rather than adding a single contact by hand. You'll be asked to select how you want to import. HubSpot gives you a few choices, but the most common and flexible method is to use a file. If you already have a spreadsheet from another system, this is usually the fastest route. A quick tip before you proceed. Prepare a clean CSV or Excel file with clear column headers like email, first name, and last name. Keep one row per person, avoid merged cells, and make sure your email column is accurate. Email is often used to match and deduplicate records. Now follow the on-screen instructions. HubSpot will guide you step by step. You'll upload your file, choose that you're importing contacts, and then map your file's columns to HubSpot's fields. Take a moment to double check the mappings. Make sure the email column maps to email, names map to the correct name fields, and any custom data maps to the right properties. If HubSpot can auto-detect a mapping, review it anyway to be safe. During this flow, you may see options to handle duplicates. Choosing to match by email usually prevents creating multiple records for the same person. You can also review a summary screen that shows how many contacts will be created or updated based on your file. When everything looks correct, continue through the prompts to start the import. After the import finishes, HubSpot will confirm the results and highlight anything that didn't make it in, like rows missing required fields. If you see any errors, download the error file, fix the issues in your spreadsheet, and repeat the same import process. That's it. By logging in, navigating to CRM and Contacts, using Add Contacts, choosing Import, selecting your method, most often a file, and following the on-screen instructions, you'll have your contacts neatly organized in HubSpot.